Hi everyone, this time let me show you one of our excellent TWS e-bus. Let's have a look at the details. Now let's see the internal parts of this excellent e-bus. This TWS e-bus have two microphones, the primary microphone and the secondary microphone. It is also called the noise cancellation microphone. This TWS e-bus have a perfect noise reduction function. When you are talking on the phone, your voice can be heard clearly by the people on the other side. The BS chipset, a very stable Bluetooth chipset, the touch sensor and the battery, the ceramic antenna, speaker unit, pogo pin, earphone magnet, and the optical sensor. This TWS e-bus use ergonomic design to fit your ear. We use the ergonomic design to make sure it is very comfortable to wear this e-bus.
Lord, I'm one, Lord, I'm two, Lord, I'm three, Lord, I'm four, Lord, I'm 500 miles away from home, away from home, away from home, away from home, away from home. Lord, I'm 500 miles away from home.
In order to achieve and maintain the high quality performance, we use advanced test equipment in our production line. Let's go to our production line to have a look.
Or similar to the microscope. The worker can see from the screen to check the soldering quality, enlarge the soldering point. The soldering point can be displayed on the screen very large. Swing in the screen. This is the RF testing. Test the Bluetooth distance. How far the Bluetooth signal can transfer. Testing. Passed. Put in another one. Testing. Test passed. This is the sound quality test station. Focus on the sound quality to check the speaker sound and the microphone sound. Frequency. Yeah, I understand. Frequency. In other words, test the sound quality.
Our product design is excellent, our test equipment is advanced, and our price is competitive. It's a smart choice to buy TWS e-bus from us. Please contact us today. We are waiting for you in Shenzhen, China. See you next time.